to prevent data management from becoming increasingly difficult as the number of photos and videos grows. Watch this guide carefully to learn some key strategies and tips that will help you efficiently manage your iCloud photos and keep your albums neat and orderly. Part 1. How to manage iCloud photos. 1. How to upload photos to iCloud. Launch your device's Settings app and select Photos and Camera. Turn on the iCloud Photo Library option on the following screen. 2. How to view photos on iCloud. On your device, open a web browser, visit the iCloud website, sign in with your iCloud account, select the Photos option, and all the photos you uploaded will be visible. 3. How to download photos from iCloud. Visit the iCloud website on any device, sign in with your iCloud account, select a photo option, select the image you want to download, click the download icon. 4. How to share photos on iCloud. Launch a browser and navigate to iCloud.com. Use your Apple ID to log in. Select the Photos icon on the iCloud web interface. Choose the images you wish to share and press the Share button. Click Copy Link to send others the URL. 5. How to delete photos on iCloud. Go to the iCloud website and log into your account. Click the Photos option and select the picture you want to remove from your account. Afterwards, click on the Delete icon to delete the selected photos from the account. 6. How to recover deleted photos on iCloud. Open a web browser, go to iCloud.com, and sign in with your Apple ID. Click the photo icon in the sidebar. Click Recently Deleted. Select the photos you want to recover. Click Recover, and then your photos will be restored to their original location. Part 2. Ultimate way to manage iCloud photos. If you want a more efficient way to manage photos and other files in your iCloud account, you may wish to use Mobikin Doctor for iOS. With the help of this program, you can easily view iCloud photos from your account and download them to your computer. How to perform iCloud photo management using Doctor for iOS. Follow these steps. Step 1. Launch Doctor for iOS. After downloading and installing the iCloud Photo Manager, choose Recover from iCloud and fill in your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Scan iCloud synced photos. After logging into iCloud, you need to select the types of data you want to manage. Here, you should choose Albums and click Next. After that, all photos in your iCloud synced files will be scanned out. Step 3. Start to manage photos on computer. After the scan, you can now view the photos in your iCloud backup, and even save them to your computer by clicking the Recover to Computer button.